Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and you've caught me in the middle of the filming of the Pfaff Quilt Expression 720. So there's lots of videos coming. You can check out sewingmastery.com as we get the whole list of over, 45, 50 videos that we're doing on this fabulous machine. What you're seeing right here is actually our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course quilt, where we do 25 different sewing techniques and 18 different presser feet. So if you want to take your Pfaff experience to the next level, this is all sewing. There's no embroidery on any of the quilts that you see on the wall or on the table here. There's a lot that you can do with your decorative stitches, feet, even built-in buttonholes and techniques that you probably didn't even know your machine could do. So check out this link up here in the corner for where you can learn more about the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course. You can take 10 videos, watch 10 videos for free, see if the course is right for you. No matter which Pfaff you own, this will be all the stitches, feet that you have available for your machine. So join me on a fabulous journey and watch as we keep filming all the rest of these fabulous videos for this Pfaff 720 sewing machine.